What now? It's not working, no matter what I press or how I press it. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Well, why would that work? When a computer is running, it loads software instructions on hardware into memory. As you load more and more programs and things get busy, or if you happen to hit a bug, or there's a glitch in the hardware, or a process starts waiting for something to end when it's already ended, the memory can get into an inconsistent state. When you turn the computer or phone off, it clears everything out and starts again, all clean and straight. With a bit of luck, it won't recreate the inconsistency and things will start working again. It sounds like that would be useful for a person. Well, you do sleep, don't you? So, did you try turning it off and on again? You mean you think I should turn it on?